Look, there's Millie. All right, so welcome back. It's part 2 of the Suburban Rescue rebuild stuff, and we got some new parts in. And as you can, oh, there's B there. As you can see, it's kind of broken. So it's broken there, and it's broken here. So that's not good. But we got our bug shield, we got a serpentine belt, and we got some fancy new headlights. Headlight lenses, I should say. Still need bolts. But I'll pull one of them out so you guys can see. Look at that. It's pretty neat. Pretty fancy. They're the smoke tinted lenses. They're probably not going to shine as bright as, you know, some of the other ones could. But they're going to look good. So thought I'd give you a little bit of an update, and the next thing you'll see is me putting some stuff on there. Alright, my new grill is here. So it was from prooffortune.com. I ordered it off eBay from, I think it's like car parts wholesaler, and their customer service was great. They shipped me out a new one. As you can see, they just let me keep the old one here. This new one I've already checked is not broken, so we're gonna put it on, and then the Suburban will officially be done. Alright guys, we're basically finished up, aside from I need to go pick up a few little plastic retainers for that shield up there. And then my emblem, I thought I had one because I saw it sitting over here in the passenger seat, but I was only seeing it upside down, and it turns out it's broken. So I don't know whether I'll order a new one or not. I might just paint some silver in there or something, or I might just leave it. I don't know. It's gonna drive just fine the way it is, and it looks semi-normal. I don't know. I don't really like there being no emblem there. I should have planned better. But yeah, that's it. I might have to align these headlights, but it's not dark enough for me to do that yet tonight. And she'll start right up. There she is. I also got to get some new bulbs. The running light on that side's out. Both fog lights are out. And these bulbs are the wrong ones. So I just have bulbs in there as space fillers. Oh, and this headlight keeps being weird. It'll work sometimes and then some... Oh! Got it. I need to look into that, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So that's weird. Weird, I say. And then I think I have a tail light out too, but I plan on getting different tail lights for it. Yeah, I got a tail light out, so I gotta do some bulbs amongst other little things, but it'll get me through the winter. Not too bad. I think I spent less than 250 bucks, about 250 bucks in total on this project. And I got the Suburban for something I already had, so basically free. I mean, it was a snowmobile, so, you know, whatever. This dust shield covers this dent most of the way. You can still see the very top of it, but that's the cheap way to do it, because I'm not very good at getting dents out. So you can only see it just a hair if you're looking for it. If you're not looking for it, you can't even tell. So, pretty sweet. That's gonna wrap up probably all the videos on this Suburban, unless I decide to do something stupid crazy with it or something. But there she is, folks. See you next time.